if 9a square plus 4b square, if 9a square plus 4b square plus 12ab minus c square is equals to 0, then show that the line ax plus by plus c is equals to 0, then the line ax plus by plus c is equals to 0 passes through a fixed point find that point, so this is the question. Method 1 is the given condition is 9a square plus 4b square plus 12ab minus c square is equals to 0 is the given condition. So you can write this given condition, this 9a square can be written as 3a whole square plus this 4b square can be written as 2b whole square plus this 12ab can be written as 2 times this 3a into 2b. See, 2 3s are 6, 6 2s are 12ab. So this part is a perfect square. This 9a square plus 4b square plus 12ab is nothing but 3a square plus 2b square plus 2 times 3a into 2b minus c square is equals to 0. Now this is a perfect square. You can write this thing as 3a plus 2b whole square minus c square is equals to 0. So this is of the form a plus b into a minus b. So this implies is of the form a plus b into a minus b, that is 3a plus 2b plus c into 3a plus 2b minus c is equals to 0. So now product of two numbers is equals to 0. Here product of two numbers is equals to 0. Either first one is equals to 0 or second one is equals to 0. So here two possibilities. If 3a plus 2b plus c is equals to 0, if this is the condition, this first one, if 3a plus 2b plus c is equals to 0, then what is the given lines equation family ax plus by plus c equal to 0? So given family ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Here to find the point of concurrency, the question is what? The point of concurrency. Then show that this family of lines passes through a fixed point. Means we need to find the point of concurrency. To find the point of concurrency, what you do is you make the constants same. Therefore here the given family of lines constant is c, so make the given condition constant is also c. But in this case already both the constants are same, so you need not to do anything over here. Now what you do is, now you can write this thing as a3 plus b2 plus c is equals to 0. So this is the given condition and this is the family of line. So in place of x what is there? 3, in place of y 2. So whatever the values of the parameters a, b, c might be, this family ax plus by plus c equal to 0 always passes through what? The fixed point. The point is what? 3, 2. So this is the fixed point. In this case, if this is 0, 3a plus 2b plus c is equals to 0, then this family always passes through fixed point 3, 2. Because in place of x we got 3, in place of y we have 2. So for different values of ABC, you have the different lines. If as ABC varies, these lines varies, but always this family always passes through what? 3, 2. The point of concurrency is what? 3, 2. Because in place of x 3, in place of y 2. This is the first part. Similarly, if this is 0, then what happens? If this second one is 0, that is number 2, if 3a plus 2b minus c is equals to 0, but the given family is what? Ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Here plus c is there, but here minus c is there. Make the constant same. To make the constant same, what you need to do? You multiply this condition throughout with minus. Then what you get? Minus 3 times a minus 2 times b plus c is equals to 0. This is the condition. But the family of lines is what? Ax plus by plus c is equals to 0. Now you can write this condition as a into minus 3 plus b into minus 2 plus c is equals to 0. Here what is the point of concurrency? In this case minus 3, minus 2. Therefore here the family of lines is this one. Here the point of concurrency is what? Minus 3, minus 2. Either if the condition is this one, first one, the point of concurrency is 3, 2. If the condition is second one, that is 3a plus 2b minus c equal to 0, therefore point of concurrency is minus 3, minus 2. So this is the solution by using method 1. Method 2. See, the given condition is 9a square plus 4b square plus 12ab minus c square equal to 0. So what we have written this thing as 3a plus 2b whole square minus c square equal to 0. So this implies here c square is equals to 3a plus 2b whole square. C square is equals to 3a plus 2b whole square. Therefore what is c? C is equals to plus or minus 3a plus 2b. C is equals to plus or minus 3a plus 2b. Now what is the family? Given family is what? Family of lines is what? Ax plus by plus c is equals to 0. Now what you do is, this is the given family. Now substitute this c in this one. Then what you get? Ax plus by plus or minus 3a plus 2b is equals to 0. That is ax plus by plus or minus 3a plus if you open the bracket here plus or minus 3a, otherwise you write down one more stick, plus or minus 3a plus 2b is equals to 0. Now by rearranging the terms, write down this is of the form from these two terms you take out a common. If you take out a common from these two terms, then what you get? A times x plus or minus 3. And from these two terms to take out y common, b common, that is b times y plus or minus 2 is equals to 0. Next what you do is, here if you divide throughout with a, if you divide throughout with a, then what you get, x plus or minus 3 plus b by a times y plus or minus 2 is equals to 0. So here this is of the form L1 plus lambda L2 equal to 0. This is L1 plus b by a is some lambda parameter. Here a comma b are parameters. So b by a is another parameter, some lambda. Then this is of the form L1 plus lambda into L2 is equals to 0. So here b by a is one parameter, b comma a are parameters, b by a is another parameter. So here plus or minus is there, therefore here first one is what, if you take plus sign, this is what, x plus y plus b by a some parameter into y plus 2 is equals to 0. So how will be this family? Here b by a is the parameter, so this is the family of lines, this is the family of lines in which x plus 3, this is the family of lines in which one line is x plus 3 equal to 0 and another line is y plus 2 equal to 0. This is L1 and this one is L2. So this is the family of lines in which these are different. These are the actually members of the family. So these are the, this is L1, this one is L1 and this one is L2. This one is L2, L1 and L2. So in through the point of intersection of L1 and L2, infinitely many lines are possible because b by is the parameter. Therefore, what is the point of concurrency? Point of concurrency is nothing but the point of intersection of x plus 3 equal to 0 and y plus 2 equal to 0. What is the point of intersection of x plus 3 equal to 0 and y plus 2 equal to 0? Minus 3 comma minus 2. This is the point of intersection of these two. Therefore, this is the point of concurrency. Next, similarly, if you take with minus sign, then what you get, x minus 3 plus b by a into y minus 2 is equals to 0. Y minus 2 is equals to 0. So this is also the family. Here this is L1 is equals to x minus 3 equal to 0 and L2 is equals to y minus 2 is equals to 0. So now through the point of intersection of L1 and L2, b by is the parameter lambda. How many lines passes through this point of intersection of L1 and L2? Infinitely many. Therefore these are the family of lines in which L1 and L2 are the members. So what is the point of concurrency? The point of intersection of x minus 3 equals 0, y minus 2 equals 0. Therefore the point of concurrency is what? 3 comma 2. Therefore these two are the points of this family. This is method 2. In first method also we got minus 3 comma minus 2 and 3 comma 2 as the point of concurrence.